it's good to see all of you joining our sessions. Thank you so much for joining in with us. If you have any feedback for us, please share it with us, because this will help us to improve. Yes, we have Seganas. So now we have him on board. He's just joining in a second, and here he
Hello,
is.
guys.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. So happy to be back with you guys after so long. Pleasure to be here again. Hello, Shashank. How are you?
Hello, Selva. I'm all fine. We were just all very crazy to join you, and since you have joined, we'll just like to continue our session today. So
Yep.
before continuing, I would just like you to share your experience, share your most profound experience of meditation between these 7 days.
Sure. I guess the whole idea is to do that. Is the sound clear? Is everything is fine? Sound is fine. Should I put the headphones on?
No, it's totally fine.
Totally fine.
Everything is clear. Yes.
Just a second. All right, guys. So, welcome back and welcome to me. I would say back into the session of live. I'm so happy and so glad to be in this side of the camera again after so long, after around 8-9 days. And before I do anything, I would like to thank Shashank, man. Shashank, thanks to you that you were ready to take up my place in hosting all the beautiful people who are coming to the live sessions, and you've done the job so well. So I thank you, my friend, first. Because of you, I could go into the silence of 7 days. I thank you because of you that I could take out that time for myself and explore my inner core to a more deeper level. So thank you, man, and you're doing a fabulous job. You know, you're doing a fabulous job. I guess nobody could have done the job better than you. You know, so Sagan has to.
It was a really nice, very good opportunity for me also, because if you haven't gone into silence, I wouldn't have been here with all of our members to present Awakened Youths. So
Yes.
from my deepest heart, I give you a very big thank you to give me this platform to attend our speakers and present Awakened Youths in front of every members. So it's these 7 days, these 7 to 8 days was I got many things to learn about myself and about every other member that we had to join us. So it was a really great part of my journey.
Yes, I guess the most
Thank you
fabulous
so much.
experience of life is to learn from each other, and it's such a great opportunity to learn through each other with this amazing platform. So thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. And without delaying, I would start saying that suddenly one day I was talking to my mentor, my friend, my guide, who's the founder of Pyramid Spiritual Society, and suddenly Patriji, the great Grand Master of all, who's been guiding us from the beginning, suddenly told me, "Ki yaar, Swamiji, why don't you try 7 days silence?" I was like, "Bring it on. If you say so, then why not? Let me try it." So मैंने कहा ठीक है सर बोल रहे हैं, let us honor it, let us do it. So I immediately took the challenge and I immediately told sir, मैंने कहा मैं अभी से I will take it up, and from now, the moment the conversation ends, I'm going into a silence of 7 days. I had concerns कि who's going to host the sessions, कि अगर मैं silence में चला जाऊंगा तो 21 days challenge of hosting people, who's going to do it? And the first person that came into mind was Shashank. And as I said, he accepted the offer, and he very willingly said yes, he will host it. So only because he accepted, I was ready to go on to the 7-day silence, and I was very glad that I did it. So, whenever we go into a spiritual process, at least when I got into this spiritual process, मैंने कहा जब मैं 7-day silence में गया, तो मैंने कहा यार अब तो 7 दिन मौन रहेंगे, 7 दिन अच्छे से ध्यान करेंगे, अच्छे से तपस्या करेंगे, अच्छे से साधना करेंगे. And I was very keen to connect with higher beings, with different masters, maybe some extraterrestrial energies. Very exciting, isn't it? I mean, when we think about, at least, when we think about going into deep meditation, then, a lot of times what is very important, it becomes good visions, good connection with the masters, connecting with different extraterrestrial beings, having to be able to see and read energies of other people or yourself. I thought, why not? Yeah, अपन भी थोड़ा सा एनर्जी देखे, फील करे, मास्टर वगैरह से बातें करे, है ना? So I got very keen and excited about it. So I would meditate every day कि भाई आज तो अपन कनेक्ट करेंगे, आज तो अपन कहीं ना कहीं तो जाएंगे, कुछ ना कुछ तो अनुभव करेंगे. So I would sit every day, meditate, and 1 hour, 2 hours, and every day I would feel very nice. I would experience some connection with certain beings. I will have communication, little bit, थोड़ा बहुत कुछ बातचीत हुआ, कुछ understanding हुआ, कुछ download हुआ. All that kept going. But फिर भी I was not feeling satisfied. यार मेरे को लग रहा था कि नहीं, बात कुछ और है. मतलब there is something else that I have to derive from this 7-day silence. यार मतलब we are always connected. We are always connected with information. That is not something that we need to really try and connect with. But our mind wants to do that. Our mind wants to see something beyond the natural existence, because that's when it gets gratification कि हाँ भाई कुछ हो रहा है, कुछ तुम एनर्जी फील कर रहे हो, तुम कहीं नए जगह जा रहे हो. So I was trying my level best to do it, but I was not feeling satisfied even after doing it. It went on till 5 days. 5 days of Mauna continued, and I wasn't feeling satisfied. After a point मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि यार क्यों कर रहा हूँ मौन, मतलब कुछ तो हो नहीं रहा है, कुछ नया मिल नहीं रहा है मुझे, तो मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ, मतलब what do I have to receive from this? On the 6th day, this is where consistency matter. यार there might be times where you might be feeling कि यार कुछ तो नहीं हो रहा है. Even in your journey of meditation, even in your journey of spirituality, there will be a lot of times you would be feeling कि यार कुछ तो नहीं हो रहा है, यार क्यों ध्यान करूं मैं, ध्यान तो करते आ रहा हूं, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ नहीं घट रहा है, यार छोड़ो. But still, in those points, it matters even more that you have faith. If you have taken upon a journey, if you have taken a sankalp कि हाँ भाई चलना है इस रास्ते, ध्यान करना है, अध्यात्म, you have to explore this truth. Stick to it. You might not understand it at that point of time. Doubts might come into your mind, but just stick to it. So 5th day, I was feeling कि यार क्या फायदा इसका? I'm not feeling satisfied. इस मौन से मुझे कुछ नहीं मिल रहा. And that's when I held the faith. And 6th day, I sat again to meditate with the same intention to go higher worlds, connect with some higher beings. I did that. I sat. I suddenly did connect with certain beings. I was getting information. I was receiving certain downloads. But then in between all that, suddenly there was big pain in my heart. So suddenly, मेरा heart में इतना जोर से pain होने लगा. My attention from those dimensions immediately dropped down to my body. And I immediately started feeling my heart. And I'm like, oh my God, what's happening? क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर? कुछ तो हो रहा है. Something is happening here. And the more I stayed, the more I saw that the real work is not in connecting, but it's opening your heart. It is opening your being to love. And then I saw how many layers that was around love. in my everyday life that I was holding back my love from, my love to. Tab I could see certain pain, certain hurts that I was holding in my heart, which is preventing my love from flowing, which is preventing my love to reach out to others. And but it hit there. फिर भाई वो पेन और होने लगा. I acknowledged the pain. I was like, okay. Suddenly I realized, okay, the work is here. This is where the work needs to happen. And suddenly my heart started opening even more. I could feel very light. I could see through all the layers that was holding me back from loving. And एक के बाद एक सारे layers दिखने लगे मेरे को सामने. एक इंसिडेंट सामने आने लगे जिसकी वजह से हमने अपने हार्ट को रोका, मैंने अपने लव को रोका. I saw places where I used my words not in a very loving manner. I saw the power of words. I saw the power of language. I felt the power of words. हमारे शब्दों में इतनी शक्तियां होती हैं. मौन से मुझे उस शक्ति के बारे में भी एहसास हुआ. That our words are so powerful. We can use these words in so many ways. The same words can empower someone. The same words can hurt someone. We have to be very impeccable with our words. जरूरत नहीं है तो मुंह खोलना ही नहीं. If it is not necessary in a conversation, then you do not need to talk. Talk only when it is needed. Speak only when it is needed. Share only if you can add to the conversation in a beautiful way. Speak only to empower. So, in the 6th day, I went back through the whole 5 days. पूरा वो 5 दिन मैं देखा शशांक. And उस 5 दिन में मुझे दिखा, वो सारे पल दिखे जिस पल में इमीडिएटली किसी ने कुछ कहा, मेरे मन में आया इमीडिएटली उस समय रिप्लाई करने का, पर मैं रिप्लाई नहीं किया because I was involved. There was moment when I was triggered, but I did not respond because I was silent. When I looked back, I realized there were so many situations जिसमें I could have added with my words to make only things worse. But in those moments when I remained silent, everything just automatically got dissolved. You know, in our life, we might be having, हर के किसी के लाइफ में एक ना एक तो ऐसा मास्टर होगा ही. हर मास्टर के लाइफ में एक ना एक ऐसा मास्टर होएगा ही हो जो आपको ट्रिगर करता हो. तो कहीं ना कहीं आप कुछ भी बोलते होंगे तो आपके मन में एकदम सा हलचल मच जाता हो. एंड हमसे नहीं रुकता है, हम बोल देते हैं. मम्मी, be it your mom, be it your dad, be it your sister, be it your spouse, be it your girlfriend. There are certain, because these are the teachers. They are the teachers of your life. You know, they teach you to control yourself. They teach you how to be patient with yourself, how to be patient with others. And Monam taught me that time. Monam forced me to keep silent in those moments. In those moments, I kept silent. And I could see it later कि कैसे बस साइलेंट रहने से ही चीजें सॉल्व हो गई. हमें बोलने की जरूरत ही नहीं थी. So I realized that such moments of silence, such patience that comes with one, it's a practice I feel everybody should try. एक दिन try करो. There is no better time than now that you can explore मौनम. कई लोग मुझे पूछे, यार क्या होता है मौन से? यार तुम तो बस चुप ही तो हो, बोल ही तो नहीं रहे हो और सारा काम तो कर ही रहे हो, इशारे भी कर रहे हो, तो ये थोड़ी मौन हुआ. मैंने कहा नहीं, सिर्फ ये वाक क्षेत्र बंद हो जाएगा ना, उससे भी बहुत फर्क पड़ेगा. आप ट्राई करके देखिए. नंबर 1, यू विल रिसीव मोर एनर्जी. हम अपने शब्दों से बहुत एनर्जी यूज करते हैं। मौन चले जाएंगे तो पहला चीज शब्दों से एनर्जी जाना बंद होगा। 20 to 30%, मेरे केस में 40% एनर्जी बचता है भाई। तो but for a normal person, 20%, 20 to 30% of energy you will save every day, and it will only increase with every day. So second, you will not react to situations which you generally do. हर वो पल में जब हम रिएक्ट करते हैं, हम रिएक्ट नहीं करेंगे। उससे आपको समझ में आएगा कि आप कितने प्रॉब्लम को बढ़ाते हो या डिसॉल्व करते हो। That places you will resolve a lot of issues by just not talking. Third, you will be able to see your within much better. आप अपने माइंड को साक्षी भाव से और अच्छे से देख सकेंगे, क्योंकि आपको तो इन्वॉल्व नहीं होना है। शब्द नहीं लोगे, बातें नहीं करोगे, तो आपका इन्वॉल्वमेंट ही नहीं है। इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं है तो आप अपने आप से सेपरेट हो सकते हैं। So Maunam will help you to become aware of your thoughts, become aware of your emotions, become aware of your feelings. Only when you separate yourself from it can you work with it. अगर आप अपने आप को अलग नहीं करोगे तो उसे आप ठीक नहीं कर सकते। अगर अपने आप को ठीक करना है तो अपने इमोशन से, अपने थॉट से, अपने माइंड से डिस्कनेक्ट करके देखिए। साहिल को देखिए, अपने आप को देखिए। शशांक का काम है शशांक को देखना, साहिल का काम है साहिल को देखना कि इसके मन में क्या चल रहा है, ये क्यों ऐसा। So with Maunam comes a lot of this awareness. So I learned a lot from this.